Alright everybody, so I've been trying to create this Shopify dropshipping strategy so that if you were a beginner, if you were to implement this strategy, you would definitely succeed. Now what I actually did is that I told my brother to go through this whole strategy, but without me actually coming and like doing everything over the shoulders with him. I just told him exactly what to do, and then I'm like, you know what, bro? Go and do it yourself. And then I'll come and see the results that you got. And just because I'm a very merciful older brother, I told him that if you do fail, I'll pay for it, bro. It's okay. So the whole strategy is find a product that's actually saturated. Don't go around and finding products that are like no one has actually sold before. No, like go find a product that someone has actually come and actually scaled it, and a product that if you were to look at it, you would be like, this is definitely like a dropshipping product. So just a quick example, I just went on CJ Dropshipping and I scrolled down and I was like, look at all these products right here. Like I'm pretty sure all of you guys that are watching this video right now, you know about all these products right here. So for example, like this product right here, I actually sold it. I've made $6,000 with it and it was pretty profitable. This one right here, I was about to sell it, but I didn't actually sell it. But there's a store who's making like 10K a day just from this. And then there's this product right here, which a lot of people have actually come, made TikTok ads with it, and they've done pretty well with it. And then if you scroll down, you can just see it's like saturated, saturated, saturated. Everything here is saturated. And then we keep going. Like literally every single thing here is saturated. So I told my brother, go around, like find products like these, find something that's actually saturated, because the whole reason why you want to find a product that's saturated is because of step number 2. So step number 2 is you're going to be creating a website, but you'll be getting your traffic not from Facebook or TikTok or Google. No, you'll be getting your traffic from TrapSnap or Snapchat. Now look, the reason why you want to do that is because Snapchat right now is like, it's one of the things that are super underrated that no one's really paying attention to. So my whole philosophy is, if you're making less than $2,000 a day in revenue, you don't go around and then make your own video ad or make your own custom content and all that stuff. You don't do that. If you're making above $2,000 per month in revenue, then you go and do that. But if you're making below that, bro, just go and steal. It's okay. I don't care if you're gonna go and steal. It's okay. And by stealing, I don't mean go and like basically find a video ad of someone with their exact logo on the video, and then you go and take that and start putting it as your ads. That's not what I mean. Basically, go find video ads around the web and basically take the best parts and put them together. And that should become like your video ad. So I told my brother to go ahead and do exactly that. Now listen, I told my brother what to do, but I didn't actually go and like exactly help him out. I told him go run the ads, and then if it fails, I'll pay for it. But if it doesn't fail, then that's good. You'll get to keep all the money. It's okay. But now listen, Habibi. Before I show you the whole product, please don't come here and then copy this whole thing. I know I talked about you can steal content and all that stuff, but there's a way to do it. Don't be coming here and stealing this whole thing, because if you come and steal it, first of all, you won't succeed. Second of all, let's just say this product actually did do well. It'll stop doing well, so you just ruined it. So don't come here and steal it. Just take the ideas of this whole video and then implement it. So anyway, so this right here is his actual store. So as you can see, it's this exact product, which is very trendy on TikTok right now. Now, to be honest, like seeing this right now, I don't know if it's one of those exact products that are saturated on TikTok right now or Facebook. Like, I'm pretty sure if some of you guys were to actually take this exact product right here, run some TikTok ads on it, you'd probably get some sales. I don't know, because it's not that saturated. But anyway, you go down. This is the exact website right here. So lights up your room. This is a GIF from TikTok. And then you go down, it's just like more stuff, more GIF, more words. And then you go down, more GIFs. And then you go down, here's the reviews, and then that's pretty much it. So this is his exact website. But anyway, once you pick the product, and then you make the website, well, now you actually have to make the video ad. So the video ad that he made is actually this right here. And once again, he found content online, and he basically took everything, put it together, and he basically came up with this thing right here. Now, I told him to come up with a few variations, so he created 4 variations, and the only difference between these 4 variations is the first 3 seconds, that's it. Everything else in the video ad looks exactly the same. But one more thing, in copywriting, we usually talk about the offer. Now, the offer, he actually didn't go through which offer to make. But let me walk you through some offers that if you implement in your website right now, you'll notice it'll actually transform your website. So back in the day when I had like my makeup store, I wanted to create an offer that when someone sees it, they'll be like, dang, bro, this is freaking amazing. So what I actually did is that I was running traffic to like a makeup product, right? So my offer at that time, it was buy one, get one free. Now listen, what happened is that I started getting a lot of sales, right? And this is like a huge realization that came to me. I started getting a lot of sales, but I started noticing, I'm like, wait, Habibi, I won't be able to ship 2 products for 1 customer because at the time, like, we were running out of stock. So I knew some customers had to wait. So what I told them is that I sent them an email and I was like, excuse me, customer, we don't have enough quantity to be sending you 2 products. So we're only going to be sending you the 1 product that you ordered, and the free one, we won't be able to send you that. Would you like a 50% discount code, or a refund totally. So most customers actually just said, I want the 50% discount code. And then it hit me, bro. Like a huge realization came to me. I was like, this is insane. Because yes, even though like it was a true scenario, what if it wasn't like a true scenario? Now listen, this is only for the people that actually have high testosterone. What if you just go and then you can be like, buy one, get one free, but then you go and email them and then you would tell them, we can't really send you two because we're running out of stock. So would you like a refund or a 50% discount code? Now listen, if they do say I want a refund, just give them the refund. But what I noticed is that most of them don't really ask for the refund. But just imagine what that's going to do to the competition. Like let's just say your website is running ads for the same product as another website, and you guys are basically competing. Well, if you're saying buy one, get one free, but they're saying just buy one, just get one, well, most people are going to be buying the buy one, get one free, and your competitors are going to be like, how the heck is he affording that? So this is, you could say it's a black hat tactic, but I don't think it's black hat because in true scenarios, this actually does happen. So anyway, this is a tactic that you can use to actually make your offer a lot better. But for my brother right now, like for this exact product right here, he didn't actually do it because he didn't have that knowledge. I didn't really tell him. But then another thing that I said in another video is that if you're going to be doing buy one, get one free, or doing any offer basically, you can't really just come in and be like, here is the offer. You want to actually say the exact reason why you're doing this offer. So if you're coming in and you're saying, buy one, get one free, or you're coming in and you're like, it's 70% off, like no one's really going to believe that unless you add a reason why. So the reason why, for why you're doing buy one, get one free, you could say it's like, it's our anniversary, or you could say it's like we're doing like a celebration sale, or you could say it's like we're doing a Christmas sale, a Black Friday sale, any sale, but if there's no event, you can just be like, it's our anniversary. And by the way you would convey this offer is through the video ad. Now, once again, my brother in this video ad, he didn't really do it. But ideally, you want to actually say the offer in the video ad. And then throughout the entire page, like throughout the website, you want to say this offer. But trust me, having an offer to your website is truly going to transform the conversion rate and is going to actually get you more sales. But look, right now, I'm going to walk you through exactly how he published his Snapchat ad. So all you do is basically go on ads.snapchat.com, but then you want to create the account and do everything that you have to do in terms of like the business ads manager, and then click on this thing right here and then click create ads. Now once you're here, don't be clicking instant create. We're not noobs, we're not beginners. So basically click on advanced create and then right here click on website conversions. Now listen, I want to show you a little tactic that for some reason most people never show when they're doing videos on Snapchat ads. So listen, if you are doing a Snapchat ads campaign, you won't actually be able to optimize for purchases. So what happens is that, let's just say website conversions, like call it whatever you want. I'll just call it test. I mean, you go down, keep everything here the same, except make it like for the next day. But then look, you know how we click next? So if you go down, just go down, you would see here. So you see how it says goal is to click? Well, listen, Habibi, most people are not going to have this thing right here, which is pixel purchase unlocked. Most of you guys, if you've never ran Snapchat ads, the pixel purchase right here is going to be locked just how the pixel sign up here is also locked. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to click here, then click right here on pixels, and then once you're in pixels, just click create pixel, and then basically create like a new pixel. Now listen, go on your Shopify, install this pixel. There are so many apps that you can use to actually install this pixel on your Shopify store. Don't come to me and be like, how are you supposed to do it? It's so easy. Okay, fine, never mind, I'll show you. Because I know some people get stuck in this, man. So look, basically he got this app called SnapX. Basically, get this app. It's going to look exactly like this. It's a paid app. I don't know why it's paid, but it's the only one that I know about. You could probably do it with the free apps as well, but this one just makes it like super duper easy. So anyway, once you're here, this is like this right here is the whole app. This is the app. Basically, go and get your pixel from Snapchat and then just paste it right here and save. That's all you have to do. It's so easy, bro. But anyway, once the pixel is installed, this is what you want to do. So you see how right here, it says Moed Al-Abedi, Moed Al-Abedi, Moed Al-Abedi. You see how it says like all orders just from my brother? Well, this is done purposefully because what you want to do, you want to make a product on your store for $0, and then you yourself, you want to go buy that product at least 30 times. Now, 30 times is a bit overkill, but the reason why you want to do it is just because you want to make sure that the pixel is going to catch at least 11 sales. Now, once the pixel catches 11 sales, that means this right here is going to become unlocked. Don't go around and then starting your ad with clicks or like optimizing it for clicks. If you ever do that, you won't actually get sales, bro. You'll get a bunch of clicks, bunch of traffic, but 0 sales. So once you buy a product from your store for $0, 30 times, eventually the next day or like 6 hours from now, basically you'll have pixel purchase unlocked, which is good. But anyway, we continue with this. I told him to put the budget at $10 just because you want to test the product at $10 a day for like a whole week. And then by the end of the week, basically you'd be spending $70. So if you've spent $70 and you got no sales, then that's bad. But if you've spent $70 and you got like maybe 3 sales, 4 sales, that's good. It just means that you have to go back to your website, optimize some stuff, optimize the ads, basically optimize, and then come back and redo it again. So anyway, it's running for the next day. And then here, this is automatic placement. And then here it says Canada, but I told them to remove Canada. And then I'm like, you know what, just put, like, for example, United Kingdom. And then I told them to put the United States. So I like testing with the UK and the US, just because I feel like those two, whenever I test with those two, like, I usually get sales. If I'm ever testing with Canada, for some reason, Canadians never buy. Come on, guys, why do you never buy? But then anyway, for the ages, you want to actually fix this. So you want to click on 13, and then basically click 18. If you're going to be putting it at 13, you'll have a bunch of people who are going to go to your website and then check out because they want the product, but then they realize they're like, dang, bro, I don't have money. So they just won't buy it because they're 13. Anyway, you keep it for all in terms of genders. Then no need to put language, no need to put audience, no need to do anything here. No need to do anything. Just leave all the stuff alone. But then here, optimize for pixel purchase, and then leave this alone. And then for here, click auto bid, and then basically go down and then put your exact ad. Now, I showed you which exact ad my brother used. Now, once you're here, click on public profile, pick the exact profile that represents your dropshipping store. Now, I'm not going to click on this one because I feel like if I click on it, some of you guys are going to go and search it up. And then for the headline, usually I just say, get yours now. And then for the video, this is the exact video right here. And then for the call to action, just click on shop now and then put your website URL. And then you're done, bro. That's it. So anyway, I told them to run this whole campaign for like a whole week, and then we'll see the exact results. So after a week, this is what we got. Now listen, before I show you this whole thing, this new Shopify dashboard is so ugly. But anyway, so after a week, basically he got $123 in sales. And then you could see it's like this is the conversion rate. So usually the conversion rate on Snapchat is extremely low, but that's okay because your clicks usually are going to be very cheap. And then he got 2,000 people for their store session. And then you could see he got 32 orders. Most of these are actually himself. And 2 of them are actually the ones that actually bought, the ones that the people that actually give him money. So that's why the average order value is so low. But anyway, you could see right here, he got one sale on this day for $61, and then another sale on this day for $61. Now, if we go to Snapchat, so basically we could see he spent $60 Canadian. Now, the money here is actually in USD, but the money here is in Canadian. So you could do the conversion rate. Basically, he's actually profitable here. But in profit, if you want to calculate it, so it's 123, which is the exact revenue right here, minus, it's 60 Canadian, but let's just say it's 50 USD. If you do the conversion rate, you will get $73, and then minus $26, which is the cost for goods for one product, and then minus 26 once again. So basically, he profited $21. And then if you want to see the exact ads, so it's right here. You could see he got a purchase right here, and then a purchase right here. And then as you can see, the cost per click right here is like super low. 27 cents, that's beautiful. And the CPM is beautiful as well. Now what happened actually, this is where everything gone wrong. We were supposed to leave this product like running just for a few more days, just so we can see if it gets more sales, and then we can come in and like start optimizing. But basically what happened, I gave my brother a very bad advice, but I told him, listen bro, even if everything goes wrong, I'll pay for it, it's okay. So if we check the last 3 days right here, you could see he spent $321. And then if we go back right here, from the 26th to the 28th, you could see he actually got 0 sales. Now, I don't know what freaking happened. I go down and I'm like, what the heck is this, bro? 14 people checked out and not a single sale? I don't know what freaking happened. But as you can see, so he spent $300. So right here, so $300 on this UK campaign, because I told him to make a UK campaign, which actually was doing decent for the first day. But once again, you could see it was like 30 cents per click. And then like it was pretty good, but like almost 1,000 clicks and then not a single sale. So he was pretty mad at me, man. But I told him, it's okay, I'll pay for it, bro. I'll pay for it. But something was probably odd when it says like 14 people who actually reached the checkout and then not a single sale. I don't know what happened, bro. But this right here is an example of a product that could have worked well, but someone just messed it up. I'm not going to say it's me, bro, but someone just messed it up. But the entire strategy, bro, is that you want to find a product that's actually saturated. So the one that he got right here, like this exact lamp right here, I don't know if this is like too saturated. Now, the reason, again, why you want to find something that's actually saturated is because you want to find a product that has a lot of content online, a lot of video ads online. So you can take all these video ads and then put it into a video that you created from all these cuts. And what that's going to result is going to result in a very low cost per click for Snapchat ads, but it's also going to result in sales for at least the first week, because he did get sales in the first week, okay? But anyway, if you look right here, it says we only have $83 left to spend, so we can get the $375 credits. So technically, we didn't really lose money. But yes, I did actually have to pay $300 from my own pocket for this failed Experiment! Now, in order for you to actually fix this whole experiment and to actually gain proper results, gain better results, is to first of all find a product that's actually saturated, and then the offer. My brother didn't really do a good offer. His offer was just free shipping, that's it. So you actually want to come in and say a very enticing offer that if someone were to see it, they'd be like, dang bro, I want to buy this thing right now. But yeah bro, hope this was super duper helpful. It just goes to show like not everything that you do is going to succeed. Some of the stuff you might lose $300 on it, which is fine, it's okay. But all we have to do now is basically go and do this whole thing for another product. And then if we lose like another $300, again, it's not my fault, bro, it's his fault. It's not my fault.